Not all Dante networks are created equal. They vary based on their size, complexity, and the network security requirements of any given organization. In this chapter, we are going to cover two fundamentally different approaches: unmanaged Dante and managed Dante. When you first start using Dante, you'll likely want to get things up and running quickly. We make that easy. Just plug the devices into your network, launch Dante Controller, and quickly establish subscriptions between devices. These subscriptions are stored in the devices themselves and remain intact even if they are unplugged and moved to new networks. With Dante Controller, anyone with access to the network can remap device subscriptions and monitor media flowing to and from the devices. This type of setup is referred to as an unmanaged Dante network. While you can actively make choices about where to route audio and video signals using Dante Controller, devices in an unmanaged network continue to operate independently without the need for centralized infrastructure. Audio and video flows directly between devices, and control data is established by Dante Controller. This is the most common setup for small and mid-sized systems because they are simple, flexible, and require minimal configuration. Alternatively, in a managed Dante network, all device control is handled by a server, either through Dante Domain Manager or Dante Director. While media signals still flow directly between Dante devices, the server centrally manages control and monitoring, allowing IT and AV professionals to actively monitor the system. One of the biggest advantages of a managed Dante network is security. Unlike an unmanaged system where anyone can make changes, a managed network requires users to authenticate before making any adjustments to the system. This means that only authorized users can modify the network, providing a higher level of protection in any environment. Another major benefit is the ability to create logical groups of Dante devices, separate from the network configuration. In large environments like universities, stadiums, or multi-room facilities, sorting through long lists of devices can be overwhelming. Logical groups make it easier to organize, manage, and route audio and video signals, even across IP subnets. This is a challenge that's much harder to solve in an unmanaged system. In a managed Dante environment, IT and AV teams gain real-time insight into device functionality. If a device fails or disconnects, the system immediately reports the issue, allowing for a quick resolution. With real-time dashboards and detailed audit logs, diagnosing problems becomes faster and more efficient. Managed Dante networks also enable custom software integration, allowing devices to be controlled by third-party applications. This means you can extend Dante functionality using third-party control, or even custom-built software applications tailored to your specific needs. If you are using Dante Domain Manager, you get even more advanced capabilities, including media routing across subnets, high availability failover servers, and simplified AES-67 and SMPTE ST2110 interoperability. These features make Dante Domain Manager an essential tool for complex, mission-critical networks. While an unmanaged Dante network is great for small, plug-and-play setups, a managed Dante network provides enhanced security, better organization, real-time monitoring, and seamless scalability, making it the best choice for complex networks. If you want to know more about Dante Director and Dante Domain Manager, we recommend you continue on to Dante Certification Level 3.